Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter electric current. Today discuss about the topics resistance in series and parallel example problems. Start the class. Example 1 problem. 3 resistors 10 ohm and 20 ohm and 30 ohm are connected in first A series, second one B parallel. Find the resultant resistance in the circuit. This is problem A. Series. First one, given data. R1 is equal to R1 value how much? 10 ohm. R2 20 ohm. R3 30 ohm. Next one, resistance in series connection. Formula Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, formula Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, next after Rs is equal to R1 value how much? 10. R2 value 20 and R3 value 30. Okay, Rs is equal to 10 plus 20 plus 30. Total value how much? 60 ohms. Okay, Rs is equal to 60 ohms. This is A series. B parallel. Given data R1 is equal to 10 ohm. R2 is equal to 20 ohm. R3 is equal to 30 ohm. Okay, next one, resistance in parallel connection. Formula Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is formula. Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, now Rp is equal to 1 by R1. R1 value how much? 10. 1 by R2 value 20. Next 1 by R3 value 30. Okay, Rp is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. Okay, Rp is equal to, okay, divide by, okay, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 LCM, 10 and 20 and 30 LCM value 60. Okay, next one, 1 by 10 value, 1 by 10 value 6. Okay, 1 by 20 value 3. Next 1 by 30 value 2. Okay, this value Rp is equal to 6 plus 3 plus 2 divided by 60. After Rp is equal to 6 plus 3 plus 2 value 11. 11 by 60. Okay, Rp is equal to 11 by 60. Okay, next one, Rp is equal to 11 by 60 value 5.5 ohms. Rp is equal to 5.5 ohms. Okay, this is a B parallel. Rp is equal to 5.5 ohms. Example 2 problem. 3 resistors R1 ohm and 4 ohm and 8 ohm are connected in series in circuit. if the resultant resistance in the circuit is 20 ohm. Find the value of R1. Solve the problem. First one, given data. R1 is equal to question. Okay, R2 is equal to 4 ohm. R2 is equal to 4 ohm. Next one, R3 is equal to 8 ohm. Okay, next one, RS is equal to 20 ohm. Okay, 20 ohm. Okay, next after that, resistance in series connection formula, RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, this is a series connection formula. RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, RS value how much? 20. R1 is there, R1, right? Plus R2 value how much? 4. Plus R3 value how much? 8. Next after that, 20 is equal to R1 plus 4 plus 8. How much? 12. Next one after that, subset of R1 is equal to 20 minus 12. R1 is equal to 20 minus 12. Okay, next now R1 is equal to 20 minus 12, 8 ohms. Okay, find the value of R1 is equal to 8 ohms. This is example 2 problem. Example 3 problem. Observe the given circuit and calculate the resultant resistance. Observe the given circuit, R1 4 ohms, R2 12 ohms. Okay, R1 and R2 parallel connection. R3 7 ohm. This is series connection. And calculate the resultant resistance from the given data. R1 is equal to 4 ohm, R2 is equal to 12 ohm. Okay, R1 is equal to 4 ohm, R2 is equal to 12 ohm are connected in parallel. Okay, the resultant resistance in parallel formula, Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay, Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Or Rp is equal to R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay, Rp is equal to R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay, Rp is equal to R1 value how much? 4 ohm. R2 value 12 ohm. Okay, by 4 plus 12. Okay, next Rp is equal to 4 into 12, 48. 4 plus 12, 16. Rp is equal to 48 by 16. Okay, 16 3 ja 48. 16 3 ja 48. 3 ohms. Rp is equal to 3 ohms. Rp is equal to 3 ohms. RP are connected to R3 in series. In series combination formula, RS is equal to RP plus R3. RS is equal to RP plus R3. Okay, after that, RS is equal to RP value how much? RP value 3 ohms. 3 plus R3 value how much? Already see the diagram. See the diagram. 7 ohm. 7 ohm. Right value R3 value 7. Okay, R S is equal to 3 plus 7 10 ohm. Okay, this problem also completed. Thank you, students.